back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through 3 crochet patterns that are perfect for summer. It is cooling down here in Australia, but majority of you who hang out with me here on YouTube are from the US. So I thought I would put this video out for you guys in time for summer so you can get some summer crochet projects happening and on your hook. Now, full disclosure, all the patterns I mentioned in today's video are my own designs. I will leave all the links and everything in the description down below if you are interested in making them. But if that is something you're interested in, just keep on watching. Okay, so first up we have my Calippo beach bag pattern. I don't think I've ever seen anything that says summer more than this bag. Just saying. This is the perfect beach bag or just bag in general for summer. It is big enough to hold all your beach essentials like your towel, drink bottle, snacks, a book, your headphones. Everything you need for the beach will fit in this bag. This bag was made using an 8ply/DK weight cotton blend yarn. For those of you who want specifics, it was the Annette Erickson Eco Cotton from Spotlight, and I used the colors yellow, lilac, and orange. If you don't have access to this yarn though, you can definitely use any 8ply or DK weight, either 100% cotton or a cotton blend. And then you will just need a 5mm crochet hook and some bamboo handles if you are wanting to finish it off with bamboo handles like I have. Otherwise, you could definitely just crochet the straps if you wanted to. I will leave the link to these exact handles in the description down below. They are just from eBay, so if you are interested, there will be a link in the description box down below. I would say the skill level for this bag is intermediate. It does use quite a few different stitches. We've got bobble stitches in there. We've got crocheting in the back loop down here. We've got some decreases up here, but in saying that, it is still quite an easy pattern. So if you do know all your crochet basics, I have no doubt that you would be able to make this bag. I do also have a video on my channel to show you exactly how I attach the handles, so you might find that helpful. And this is available in a written PDF, which I will link down below. So moving on to pattern number 2, this is my pail hat bucket hat pattern. Who would have thought that bucket hats would be back in fashion? Definitely not me, but they are definitely trending this season. So the perfect project to make this summer. It works up super duper quickly, beginner friendly. It works from the top down, so you can kind of try it on as you go if you wanted to. This is a one size fits all adult pattern, but it could easily be customized to suit kids as well, just by doing less decrease rounds. As you can see, I've done mine in a striped pattern, but you could definitely do this in one solid color as well. This hat is made from an 8ply/DK weight 100% cotton yarn. This is the Flinders yarn from Spotlight in Australia, and I used the colors ochre, dark bottle, natural, and turmeric. So if you are wanting to find that exact yarn, that's the one I used. Again, if you don't have access to this yarn, you can definitely just use any 8ply DK weight 100% cotton. And you will also need a 5mm hook. This hat is definitely beginner friendly. It is crocheted in the round, so as long as you are comfortable with crocheting in the round and the single crochet, you are pretty much good to go. There are some increases in there as well, but definitely a beginner friendly pattern if you are comfortable with all your crochet basics. I have a video tutorial for this pattern on my channel, which I will link above. So if you are interested in making that, you can go and watch a video if that's what you prefer. Otherwise, if you would prefer a written pattern, you can download the written PDF, and I will leave all the links to the PDF down below. Okay, last but definitely not least, we have my most recent pattern release, which is my That 70s top, which is this one right here. Definitely inspired by 70s retro, as are most of my designs, I feel. It's definitely my style, I suppose. I definitely feel like I was born in the wrong era. I should have been born in the 70s. But anyway, this pattern is worked from the bottom up and in the round. So if you are comfortable with that, you will definitely be able to make this top. The pattern comes in adult sizes, extra small, all the way up until 5XL. So it is a fully size inclusive pattern. The pattern comes with 2 strap options. So you can either make it like this with 2 straps, perfect if you're wanting to wear a bra with it. Otherwise, there is also a halter neck option for those of you who like a halter neck. This top again is made from a 100% cotton yarn. Again, I used the Flinders 100% cotton from Spotlight. It is an 8ply/DK weight 100% cotton yarn, and I use the colors avocado, turmeric, natural, and ochre. You will again also need a 5mm hook. This pattern is definitely beginner friendly. I do have a stitch tutorial on my channel that I will link up here for the wave stitch, which is the predominant stitch used in this pattern. And again, it is available in a written PDF, so I will leave all the links down below. Anyway guys, that wraps up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to comment down below which one you loved the most, or if you plan on making any of them. If you do crochet any of these patterns, please be sure to tag me on social media. I absolutely love seeing all your makes. If you haven't already, be sure to join my Facebook group, Talk Yarny to Me. I will leave the link down below. And if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so you will be notified of all my future videos. But until next time guys, stay safe and I will see you next time. Bye!